Welcome back guys. Today we learn how to automatically change the cell color followed by the other cell format or the same cell format. On the left side here, you see my cell is highlighted with the blue, red or yellow. And the right one is clear, no highlight yet. So how to do that? First of all, we just type what we want to type. Yes, yes, no, not sure, yes, no, and not sure. Okay, so we want to highlight this word differently. So how to do that? First of all, just select all this column and then go to the conditional formatting here. We click on it and then select the word new rule here, new rule. Okay, and then use a formula, this one, the last one here. Okay, here is where we type the condition. First of all, just type equal, and then we look back to our cell. Where is it? Here is on the column G column with the number 6. Okay, so it is G6. We type G6 equal. If G6 equal yes, if G6 equal yes, here we change the format, we change the color. I might change it to blue. Okay, then okay, here now it all the word just change to the blue color. Now keep this selected and go back to the conditional formatting again. Take the new rule, take this one, and here we put the new condition. Just type equal G6 again, column G with number 6. Okay, G6 again. If G6 again equal, if G6 again equal no, we change the format color here. I might change it to red. Okay, click OK. You see now all the word no here change to the red color. We have only not sure left, so just keep all this selected and go back to conditional formatting again. Take the new rule, take this one again, and here put the new condition. Just type equal and G6 again, mean column G, start from number 6 here. If G6 equal, if G6 equal not sure, and then we change this. Okay, we change this format. I might change it to the yellow one. Okay, now we take all the word yes, change to the blue, the word no change to the red, and the word not sure change to yellow. We no need to highlight one by one, just do like this. It will highlight by word followed by the format. Okay, if you have any question or still cannot do like me, just comment below. I will answer the next video. Thank you guys.